Habitats Explored, Episode 4, Estuaries. Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea, Habitats Explored series. This week we are on week 4 and I'm going to be talking about estuaries. I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers. What exactly is an estuary? An estuary is an area where freshwater river or stream meets the ocean. When freshwater and seawater combine, the water becomes brackish or slightly salty. Salt water flows in from the sea and freshwater flows out from the river or stream. Salt water is denser than fresh water, and when it flows into an estuary it has something called an estuarine current, which is a cold, dense, bottom-flowing current from the ocean into an estuary. The less dense fresh water flowing from the river has an anti-estuarine current, which is a warm surface current flowing with a river or stream into an estuary. Due to them being near the surface, they are much warmer than an estuarine current as they are heated by the sun. The salinity of an estuary can change dramatically with the seasons. When there is a lot of rain, it may flood the estuary with fresh water, but when things are very dry, there may be more salt water entering the estuary, making it predominantly salt water. There are 4 different kinds of estuaries, each created a different way: coastal plain estuary, tectonic estuaries, bar-built estuaries, and fjord estuaries. So coastal plain estuaries are created when the sea level rises and fills in an existing river valley. Tectonic estuaries are created by tectonic activity such as shifting together and rifting apart of the Earth's crust. Bar-built estuaries are where a sandbar or barrier island protects the estuary from the ocean. And fjord estuaries are created by glaciers. Estuaries are home to many plant and animal species that are specifically adapted to live there. They provide important shelter in their calm waters for small fish, shellfish, migrating birds and shore animals. The waters are extremely rich in nutrients from plankton and bacteria and provide food for a whole host of species, making them one of the most productive environments on Earth. Sadly, pollution accumulates in estuaries, as does runoff from agriculture and industry. Many estuaries have also been overfished. Estuaries have economic, ecological and cultural value, so it's important that we protect them. So that was a brief introduction to estuaries. If you've enjoyed the video and learned something new, why not give me a thumbs up and comment down below. If you aren't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's the best way to support me and it is completely free. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Cheers.